This video is worth watching if you're considering your brand registered under trademark registration and wondering if you should do it. Complete guide to trademark registration and protect your brand in India. Trademark registration in India is an essential step for businesses seeking to protect their brand identity and establish a unique market existence. Trademark defined under Section 2 Subclause ZB of the Trademarks Act, 1999 as trademark means a mark capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of others and may include shape of goods, their packaging and combination of colors. Trademark is segregated into 45 different classes as per the NICE classification for a trademark. Each of the trademark classes represents a distinct set of goods and services. If you register your brand under a particular class, it will not automatically protect your brand from infringement in other classes. The idea behind the registration of a trademark is not to encourage the monopoly, but to give the owner of the trademark the necessary protection in his choice niches. Did you know the importance of trademark registration? It distinguishes products or services from competitors. It's building customer loyalty. It gives legal protection against unauthorized use. It establishes a distinct brand identity. Too many eyes around your brand. Protect your brand before it's too late. Did you know the process of trademark registration? Step 1. Trademark search. Step 2. Filing application. Step 3. Examination and reply. Step 4. Publication in TM Journal. Step 5. Opposition by third party. Step 6. Registration certificate. Did you know the fees and timeline of trademark registration? Trademark registration involves various fees, including filing fees, examination fees, and registration fees. The exact fees depend on factors such as the type of application, individual, startup, small enterprise, others, the number of classes, and the mode of filing, online, offline. The process typically takes around 1 to 2 years, depending on factors like the backlog at the trademark registry, objections, and opposition proceedings. It is essential to maintain regular communication with the registry and promptly respond to any queries or objections to ensure a smooth registration process. What should be kept in mind for protection of trademarks? Regular monitoring of the market for possible infringements, maintaining proper records, and renewing the registration at regular intervals, every 10 years, are important steps to ensure continued protection. Things you don't think about trademarking but should. Name of your signature courses. Name of your skincare products. Name of your coaching or consultant program. Name of your podcast or show. Name of your YouTube or other social media channel. Name of your workshop. Name of your hair care products. Name of your non-profit organization. Name of your signature food dish etc. Clarification on frequently asked questions. Should a trademark be registered in the name of an individual or in the name of a company? Many startups register a trademark in the name of the founder, while large enterprises prefer to do it in the name of the company. This is because the future of a startup is always in doubt. But if the trademark is owned by the founder, then there is no problem and he or she can use it. Can I register my brand name and logo as a single trademark application? You can file one application containing your brand name and a logo together, and then the scope of trademark protection is only for that specific arrangement and combination of both features. What is the difference between the TM, trademark, and R, registered? TM. This symbol can be used after successfully filing a trademark application. Registered. This symbol can be used only after obtaining a trademark registration certificate. Feel free to contact us for any queries. Thanks for watching.